Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively for board exams. Start by understanding the exam structure and what topics will be covered. Next, develop a study schedule that fits your daily routine, ensuring you allocate enough time for each subject. Collect all your textbooks, notes, and past papers. Finally, recognize how you learn best, whether through visual aids, auditory methods, or hands-on practice. Once you know your exam, it's time to build a solid study plan. Divide your subjects into smaller, digestible parts. Set clear, achievable goals for each study session. Prioritize subjects that you find more challenging, dedicating extra time to them. Remember to schedule short breaks every hour or so to keep your mind fresh and prevent burnout. Passive reading isn't enough. Engage actively with your material. Work through previous exam questions to familiarize yourself with the style and timing. Explaining topics to a friend or family member can solidify your knowledge. Use flashcards for quick recall of important definitions and equations. Condensing information into your own summaries helps you process and retain it better. Consistent review is crucial for long-term retention. Don't just study new material, revisit older topics frequently. Prioritize your well-being by ensuring you get sufficient sleep each night. Fuel your body with nutritious food and drink plenty of water. Incorporate some light exercise into your routine. It's a great way to manage stress and boost your energy levels.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.